Hello and welcome to Capital.com. In this video, I'd like to show you how you can set a stop loss or a take profit order. Now, what is a stop loss? Why would you need it? As you're probably aware, some of the markets can be highly volatile, the prices are changing rapidly, and when you have several open positions, you probably don't have enough time to monitor them. And a stop loss will help you to control your losses, and it will make sure that you don't lose more than you can afford. Now, how can we do it? There are two ways how you can set a stop loss and a take profit order accordingly. So first of all, we have to select the instrument we wish to trade. For instance, I want to buy a few Apple CFDs. So I click on buy. I select the size of my position, and you will see these two lines, close at loss and close at profit. So we're interested in close at loss at this point. So there are two types of stop loss. I'm going to tell you about the difference. All right, so we go to guaranteed stop loss, and we will find this extremely useful graph that will illustrate the difference. If we set a stop loss, it means that we want our position to be closed at a certain price level. For instance, if the price starts dropping, we don't want to lose more than a certain sum. Hence, we set a normal stop loss, and we expect that our position will be closed at this particular level. All right, let's imagine that this dot, we set our price somewhere here. All right. But there are certain cases when the price is changing so dramatically and it might drop down to a level below your stop loss. It means that your position will be closed at the first available price. So after your stop loss, it happens. And in order to avoid this, we can choose the option of a guaranteed stop loss. You will have to pay a small fee, but it will guarantee that your position will be closed at the exact same price you have specified. All right, so that's the difference between normal stop loss and guaranteed stop loss. So when you set a normal stop loss, you expect your position to be closed at this particular level, but in case of rapid price changes, it's not always the case. And to avoid this, we can use the option of guaranteed stop loss. All right, so we select the type we're interested in, normal or guaranteed, and there are different options. So how you can actually set it. In the menu right here, price level, there are three different types of a stop loss. Three options. So price level, you want your position to be closed when price hits a certain level. All right, you can modify it any way you like right here. And the second option is distance. If price goes down by a certain number, we see right here the price that Apple is currently you can currently buy the Apple CFD at this very price here, and it shows the distance, so the change. So if the price drops down by 0.3840, it will trigger at this level. Or the third one is amount close if loss is, and here we see how much we are actually ready to lose. Right? So you can select the amount, and in any case you will still have two other options below this line, and you will see how they are changing accordingly, right? The distance and level. All right, and the same applies to close at profit. There is just one type of take profit orders. With stop losses, we have normal and guaranteed, and take profit, there is just one type of it. And 3 different options apply as well. So in this case, you close if profit is, or sell if price goes up by, and then you close when price level hits something. All right, let's say we have a stop loss, normal stop loss, and we can also actually add both at the same time, stop loss and take profit orders. Done. So we've opened our position, and there is another way how we can actually add them. We have to click on edit. We see this is our instrument, Apple, and below there's this open position. We click on edit, and we can modify if we are not happy with it. So if we change our mind, right? In our portfolio tab, we will see other positions, and let's say I want to set a stop loss. So here are these lines: close at loss and close at profit. We see that stop loss and take profit are already set for Apple, and let's say I want to close at loss this position here, Ripple USD, and we do the same. And by the way, here you can also see the fee that applies to the stop loss if it's guaranteed, right? It's 1% of the total amount, and it's taken per day. All right, so let's say I'm okay with that. Update position, and done. So you can have access to this tab anytime you like, and if something changes, you can modify your take profit and stop loss as well.